This is the video for the real-time virtual reality environment under part 2. So here we have to import our 3D scene we modeled in Blender into a rendering or game engine. So I imported my 3D scene into Unity game engine. So you can see the house and the windmill I modeled in Blender has been successfully imported into Unity. So the textures, the materials of the house and the windmill are there as usual. And additionally, I have added a plane which is green in color here to model a grass nature. And then we have to develop a real-time virtual reality environment with certain features. So we have to include lighting, shadows, reflections, refractions, skybox, clouds, and ambient sound. So all these features has been applied to this 3D scene. Now let's see how those applied features look when I hit the play button. So you can see the windmill is rotating. The winds are rotating as usual. And you can hear the ambient sound, which is the sound of nature I have added here. And you can see the shadows due to the light, the skybox. So that's the end of the video for the real-time virtual reality environment. Thank you.